My name is Vidyasagar and I am a student of XLRI Jamshedpur. But very unfortunately, I am not able to continue my education this year because of a very tragic incident that has happened in my family. My elder brother Anand Prakash, who was working as an assistant engineer in PWD at a place called Uttarkasi in Uttarakhand, has been missing mysteriously for the last 2.5 months, and since then there is no trace about his whereabouts. Based on various circumstantial evidences, I strongly believe that my brother has been kidnapped by someone in a most planned and calculated manner. Because in his last conversation with his wife on the night of 19th of August, he told her that there is a threat to his life because he was going to unearth a big episode of corruption in the department. Moreover, the facts that my brother had got his leave sanctioned, 15 days leave sanctioned from 19th of August to 2nd of September to attend my father's treatment in AIIMS New Delhi. My father is suffering from cancer. And just opposite to that, the fact that he was not allowed to go on leave and that his whole house has been found in open condition. All his personal belongings, including his spectacles, his mobile, his wallet, his all ATM cards, cash of 7,500 rupees, and everything is found there. The electricity of his house was found in the cut position. All these things indicate towards the fact that he has been kidnapped by someone. Moreover, the act of the police as well as the PWD people, pre and post incidents, they indicate towards that there is a conspiracy behind his abduction and maybe they have murdered my brother. Myself and my sister-in-law, who has a 7-month-old baby, we are running from pillar to post for the last 2.5 months, and we are trying to ensure a fair and unbiased investigation in this case, but nothing is happening. My whole family is shattered because of this incident. My mother is a heart patient. My father has recently been diagnosed with esophagus cancer. I had to discontinue my education. My younger brother, who was studying at NIT Ahmedabad and was in the final year, he has also left his studies and has come back to take care of my mother. My sister, who was also working as district program manager, she has also left her job and she is taking care of my ailing father. Despite doing all the possible efforts, no result has come till date. Whom we have not met? We have met everybody in the PWD department, including executive engineer, superintendent engineer, chief engineer level 2 and chief engineer level 1 at Dehradun. In police department we have met SP, Inspector General of Police and Director General of Police, and in the Dehradun. In state administration we have met Secretary PWD and even the Chief Secretary. Last but not the least, we have met the Honorable Chief Minister of Uttarakhand 3 times. And even after doing all those things, 80 days have passed and there is no clue about my brother. Moreover, we believe that investigation is not fair and it is very much biased. The attitude of the police has been careless since the day one. Without any investigation and without any substantial proof, they are trying to portray this case as a simple case of suicide and anyhow trying to close the file. We do not have any faith in the state machinery because either it is incompetent to do this case or it does not want to solve this case. At last we have demanded CBI inquiry into this case and I am fighting for that. Through this video I want to appeal to all that please help me fight this battle which my brother had started against those who are neck deep involved in the corruption. My brother was going to unearth a big episode of corruption in the department, but the perpetrators silenced his voice before he could unveil the dark face of corruption. I am the student of XLRI and all the student fraternity is with me and they are helping me going out of the way. I request all the MBA students of other schools that they join hands with them and kindly help me in any manner they can. Thank you very much.